Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this stunning 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross LS. Being one of Mitsubishi's newer models, it does look absolutely stunning, very unique design, but does continue some of Mitsubishi's most iconic features, being that new dynamic shield look in the front there with the Mitsubishi badging and the chrome grille right through the front there. We've also got those really sharp headlights in the Eclipse Cross with the beautiful DRL that runs straight through the middle there. The projector beams do give you a very clear cutoff for your headlight beam as well. Just down there you have got the large fog lights and indicators built in there. It is leading Mitsubishi's newest designs for all their new models, so as you can see all the curves and edges are all very sharp, and you will see them continue in most of Mitsubishi's newer design vehicles. That first alloy wheel, very well designed with the piano black and chrome look to it. The mirrors are color matched with the door handles. You will notice once again, as I mentioned, the really sharp edges of not only the mirror but the actual side of the vehicle. Those sharp edges just give you a very good aerodynamic look to the vehicle. Now it is keyless entry, so just pressing that button there, it does lock the vehicle and fold the mirrors in. Pressing it again does unlock it. Making our way down the vehicle now, that next alloy wheel there, once again, very well designed and does tie in very nicely with the actual titanium look of the vehicle. On the back here, we've got those very uniquely designed taillights. Once again, sharp edges all throughout this vehicle, and it does go straight through the tailgate in the middle there. The benefit of the split windshield is the extra visibility through your rear view mirror, and the rear wiper is actually tucked up underneath that rear spoiler there just to increase the aerodynamics and reduce damage to the wiper itself. We have got the reverse parking sensors color matched to that rear bumper there, and when we open this up, as you can see, you got plenty of space inside the Eclipse Cross. So there is a cargo blind there, and when those seats are folded down, you get plenty of storage space in the back. Space saver spare just on the floor here with your jack in there as well. Closing this back up. As I said, I'm not going to spend too long on the actual condition because it is a near new car. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, and guys, this side, just like the other side, does look incredible. So very well done to Mitsubishi for how they have actually designed the Eclipse Cross. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Look under the bonnet. Now what we have is a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox, making the drive absolutely phenomenal. The safety rating of this vehicle is 5 stars, and it's got 7 airbags. The power output is 110 kilowatts with 250 newton meters of torque. The petrol fuel tank holds 63 litres of 91 fuel. The combined fuel consumption, depending on your driving style, is 7.3 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance of 863 kilometers from a full tank. You look inside the Eclipse Cross now. Just on the driver's side door here, on the handle is your power mirror controls. There is a button there that lets you actually fold them in. Around the power window controls, they are all automatic, but you have got that nice carbon fiber wrap around it. Just above the power window controls is your central locking and your window lock button. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, we've got forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning and traction control buttons, as well as the adjuster for the angle of your headlights and parking sensors on and off. On the right hand stalk is your indicators as well as automatic headlights and automatic high beams, and on the left hand stalk is your washers and wipers. Now the wipers are also automatic. On the steering wheel itself, very nice leather wrap steering wheel. We've got cruise control and speed limiter settings on the right, and all your media and hands-free call settings on the left. Behind the steering wheel you've got 2 large paddle shifters which are mounted to the rack behind the wheel, so it's always nice and easy to access without getting confused. Moving on into the middle, if you are familiar with Lexus, you will notice that the whole interior of this car has been loosely based off the design of a Lexus interior. We've got the pop-up display in the middle with the carbon fiber trim around it, and that display, even though it is touchscreen, you do get a touchpad just down near the shifter as well. Now in terms of features, we've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as digital radio, AM and FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity and USB inputs. Now just below the air conditioning vents we've got our climate control settings, so set the temperature with the left one and the car will actually regulate the fan speed for you. Just down here we've got eco mode if you wanted to save a little bit of extra fuel, 2 USB ports and a 12 volt socket. Just under here there's a little bit of storage if you wanted to keep your phone there while it's plugged in. shifter itself, if you put it into reverse, you get a nice wide angle rear view camera there. If you bring it down into drive and bump it to the left, you can switch through the gears manually, either with the shifter or the paddles behind the wheel. Just next to the shifter is your touchpad. There are a variety of different controls and gestures which will let you do various things with the screen. There are also hard buttons here to help you easily navigate it. Now, if you wanted to know more about the gestures and how to actually use this touchpad, please ask us when you come in to test drive this vehicle. Behind here, electric park brake, auto hold, and 2 cup holders with the adjustable grommets if you have different size cups. Center console is nice leather wrapped, and it is very large if you wanted to rest your elbow on it. Just in here we've got a little bit of storage if you wanted to keep coins or loose change or something, and plenty of storage in that center console as well. Panning around the interior, you can see very well designed seats, and the back seats do have a nice recline to them, so makes sitting in the back nice and comfortable too. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Eclipse Cross. If you have any questions or you want to know any more about the features or even the safety features of this vehicle, please give us a call and ask us, because we would be more than glad to walk you through everything this vehicle has. The couple of things I would recommend is the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on this beautiful grey paintwork. It will maintain the color of the vehicle for the lifetime of your ownership. It will also give you protection against a variety of environmental damages. The other thing is the premium mechanical protection plan. If this is a long-term investment for you, that's going to help you protect the 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle for the next 5 years after your new car warranty, and it'll also give you up to 10 years of premium roadside assistance nationwide. There's plenty more included in that plan, so if you want to know more, please do ask us about it. If you're using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario would love to talk to you about your finance options and tailor a package to suit your needs, which will include all that in there within your budget. Now, the other thing I would like to mention is please have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews now, and that's from customers Australia-wide. So it is plenty of assurance that you are dealing with a reputable dealership, buying a good quality vehicle, and that we do like to look after our customers after the sale as well. So have a read of what people have to say and give us a call on 9907 0555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.